G here from OG Creations. June is Pride Month, so here at OGC, we will be celebrating month-long. OGC is a safe space where you can express yourself how you see yourself. I will always be excited to create a custom order that embodies who you are, or if you just feel like sharing your story with a complete stranger, I'm a DM away. The world definitely needs more kindness in it, and here you have my love and admiration for being who you were born to be. This year, my Pride 2023 series is made up of 5 new groupings: Proud to be You, Neon Pride, Swirled Pride, Neon Rainbow Glitch, and Rainbow Sunburst. The groupings are paired with a how-to video and will be released each Friday in the month of June. This week, I'm showing you how I made the Neon Crumple Pride briefs and thongs. I begin this project by filling 4-ounce bottles with 1/4 cup soda ash and 2 teaspoons of Procyon dye powders. This way, the dyes will be easier to control when applying them to a larger surface area. I start with men's bikini briefs and thongs that are made from 95% modal cotton and 5% spandex, which have been soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes. Directly on my dye rack, I loosely crumple them in a random pattern, covering the complete surface of the rack. The dye colors I will be using are Hot Hibiscus, Watermelon, Lemon Yellow, Bright Green, Turquoise, Ultraviolet, and repeat the same rainbow pattern across the entire surface area. thick layer of ice is added and then topped with another thin layer of soda ash. The rack is then set aside to process for 48 hours in a warmer space, somewhere between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. I've learned from my past experiences, so here I did not want to remove the items off of the rack before they were fully rinsed. I'm using my shower so I have more space and can still use the hot and cold water function. They are rinsed in cold water until the water starts to run clear. I then increase the temperature to hot water to make sure that all the soda ash is rinsed off the items. They are then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, they are added to my Etsy store. You can get yours by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. Who in the world would not have fun showing off a bright neon rainbow swirling marbled covered booty? These are fabulous. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you would like to see created next. Happy Pride!